Hello, welcome. Unit 2 is done.
We did it! The last hour has been mayhem. We broke a glass container because the mattress fell on it and it knocked a lamp over. Layna's been crying.
Look at her.
Right on cue. But we have 10 minutes to film this, so here it is.
All right, we're gonna walk you through the house. We're gonna show you what the outside looks like at the very end. But right here, walking this way, is some bar seats. Got a little coffee station and a little dining nook.
We built this right before Layna came.
That was like your little pregnancy project.
And we added this cute light.
Moving on through, this is Anna's gallery of art.
Pretty.
Her and her mom actually kind of hung this up together.
Yeah, it was quite fun and it turned out cute. We have a little cleaning closet here, which will be locked. And these stairs took a long time, but we painted them and they look pretty cute. So the second floor is up there, which we'll show you later.
Then back this way, living room, which this was the last room that we finished. There was a bunch of tools here. Show them the picture.
Yeah.
And then, so now it's finished. So it's a nice little cozy living room. Got a nice little TV, 50-incher.
Wow.
We got a front-loading washer dryer. Bam.
Love it. Cute curtains with some good light here.
Oh yeah. These are Anna's grandma's curtains.
Yes. And we thrifted this couch, thrifted that. That rug's new.
This couch we actually picked up on the street that our first rental was on. It's
True.
like, it was like 100 feet away.
Yeah.
Moving along, bedroom number 1. This is probably the master bedroom, and the room is big enough.
There's two masters actually.
Kind of, because they both have an en-suite bathroom. King bed down here. Got a lot of space. Dresser. Both bedrooms have their own closet.
And their own bathroom, more impressively.
Bam. Here's what the bathroom looks like.
A new medicine cabinet, painted that. That was the same. New mirror, new fixture. Cleaned things up. Of course, gotta have my bidet. And beautiful shower with this cool little ladder rail thingy. It's cute. And we painted everything.
It's Anna's grandma's quilt in there.
True. We leave that for everybody. Now I'll show you upstairs really quick.
Hurry before the baby cries.
Okay, these are the pretty stairs. We have a little landing here, which is nice. And then welcome into the office.
Look at that color.
Woohoo! This is the office. We decided to paint it red, because why not? Including the ceiling.
Dude.
This desk was such a butt to get up here. We had to take it apart, put it back together up here. But it's here, it's beautiful. This is a little golf theme. We might have gone a little too far with the golf theme, as you can see.
Pillow.
Golf.
Chair. Books.
Little this thingy.
Painting. Oh, we have a little doorstop.
This is like a little bonus room, basically. Just super nice. Did all these thrifted things on the shelf, which is quite fun. This is the second bedroom. Both have their own full baths and closet and all the things. This is a queen bed, and we painted it a long time ago, and we really never used this room. Layna sleeps up in here now. Got this cool dresser.
And pack and play.
And a pack and play.
If you want to sleep in that.
This cool dresser from Josiah's friend's grandma. And then finally, this bathroom. In here, we got a new vanity, which is very nice. Kind of sits better in the space. New light fixture, new little shelf thing. We did a lot of cleaning and re-grouting in here. Oh yeah, new shower doors, because the last one, it was broken when we bought it. Like shattered, missing.
This room also has a closet too.
Bam.
That's why we said it's two masters, because they each have their own bathroom in there, and they each have their own closet and dresser. So lots of space in this unit.
It's a really good rental. So we're excited for the people to stay here. Next, we'll pay into the kitchen and outside when it's clean.
We're back in the kitchen, even though we're filming this last. So this kitchen is actually quite big. We got counters on both sides. We got overhead cabinets. These are actually from IKEA. They're pretty cool how they open up.
Let's see what's inside.
IKEA plates.
Pretty.
On this side, we have the usuals, lots of cabinet space. Pantry. This is one of our only house that has a pantry that's actual like closet.
Wow.
Pretty deep too. And this is a big like coat closet. Half bathroom. Actually, very big half bathroom because I can stand in the corner and not be in the way.
Wow. I did
With-
the Beatles on the wall.
Pocket door.
Wow. That we fixed. We're outside on our little patio. We still have a little bit of stuff here, but you get the idea of the cuteness. I'll show you the garden. I'll show you the before. It was quite bad. Got a little seating area and our hanging baskets. That's our super speedy tour. We hope you liked it. I'll put in some befores and all the things to make this video more exciting.
Thanks for watching and subscribe.